to request them to please be ready. As you are gonna heat the sea, the water rather, tonight.
Aside from heating it up, they will also light it up. Again, we would also like to confirm that these boats are actually Thai-Sea craft. So
Let's see who's gonna be the team for these year's boats. It is really a tight fight tonight. There we go. Let's see who's gonna finish the finish line. All right, it was a strong start of these race. Let's see who
So that's a very big factor nga nahitabo kay ang mga teams nga when can pag-break gid sa maong gear daghang kay wa mo dayon wala mo tingog sa kinig sa invitation unya ang nagi isa nga ni back out ang sponsor so wala pa mo dayon so actually affected and then
and you will win.
so as far as our activity is concerned I can only say we delivered naka-deliver me sa sa what is expected so so far everything is doing fine we have
That is a finish line.
Finish line.
Congratulations to the team. This wilderness lead for the next leg. There we go.